Standard 9th, Geography, Chapter 7, Mapping Skills. Introduction. To introduce maps. With maps on hand, one can see the world in one sweep. Mapping skills are the basics to understand a map and to interpret the area depicted. Maps are introduced with its components such as scales, used to find the actual distance between the 2 points on a map. They are also used to get a better idea of the actual size of an area. Signs. These are the signs used in the maps. Symbols to identify the area. Surveying is the process of recording the measurement of a land area. 1 acre is equal to 43,560 square feet. This lesson deals with the latest techniques of mapping. What are the techniques they used to draw map? Remote sensing, GPS, GIS, Global Navigation Satellite System, and web maps of the 21st century. Map as a tool. Map illustrates the Earth's surface clearly and effectively through a combination of drawings, words, and symbols. Maps and cartography. A map is defined as the miniature image of the three-dimensional Earth surface on a paper, cloth, or any flat surface. Maps are drawn to a scale and direction. Maps have legends to explain the meaning of symbols and colors used on it. The art of map making is called cartography. Components of a map. A map should include the following components. They are the title, the scale, the directions, the grid system, the projection, the legend, and the conventional signs and symbols. Title. It indicates the purpose or the theme of the map, whether it's a political or a physical. Scale. Scale makes it possible to reduce the size of the whole Earth to show it on a piece of paper. It is a ratio between the actual distance on a map to the actual distance on the ground. Scales are represented in three methods. Statement scale, representative fractions, linear or graphical scale methods. Statement scale. It describes the relationship of map distance to ground distance in words. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. Representative fraction. It describes the proportion or ratio of the map distance to ground distance. Representative fraction is equal to distance on the map by distance on the ground. Graphical scale or linear. A linear scale is represented by a straight line divided into equal parts to show what these markings represent on the actual ground. Direct measurement of distance on a map. Directions. Map are drawn normally with north orientation. North direction in a map is always towards the north pole of the earth. These four main directions are called cardinal directions. Direction is usually indicated on a map by a north-south line. Grid system. The location of a place can be simply defined by its latitude and longitude. Latitude is stated first and then comes the longitude. The latitude and longitude of a place can be expressed in units of degree, minutes and seconds. Projection. A map projection is a way of showing the spherical shaped earth on a flat piece of paper. Imagine a clear globe with the latitude and longitude lines and the outlines of the landmasses on it. Map projection is defined as the transformation of spherical network of latitudes and longitudes on a plane surface. Projections are drawn to maintain the shape, area and directions. Legend. The legend of a map helps to understand the map details which are placed at the left or right corner at the bottom of the map. Conventional signs and symbols. Conventional signs and symbols are standard symbols used on a map and explained in the legend to convey a definite meaning. Topographic map contains a variety of information about physical and cultural features. Common map features. They are of three types: point symbols, line symbols, area symbols. Point symbols. Example: buildings, cities, locations, monuments, tanks, trigonometrical beacons. Line symbols. They show us railways, roadways, power lines, telephone lines. Area symbols. They show us cultivated lands, ponds, orchards and vineyards. The following color codes are used in the map as a symbol: brown, land or earth surface; light blue, water features, canals, dams, lakes, etc.; dark blue, national waterways; green, vegetation features like forest, nature, woodlands; black, construction features, roads, tracks, railway buildings, etc.; red, construction features, national and main roads, lighthouses, etc. Pink shows the international boundaries. Conventional signs and symbols. Survey. Surveying is done to measure the angle, direction, area, height and distance of an object using instruments. Surveying techniques are used to obtain the field data and to prepare maps. Geographers mainly use chain, prismatic compass, plane table, dumpy level, clinometer, theodolite and GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, to measure the distance, the angle, the heights and the position of the area of survey. The Egyptian surveyors were called rope stretchers because they used ropes to measure distances. Remote sensing as a source of map data. What is remote sensing? It refers to the observation and measurement of Earth's objects without having contact with it. Remote means far away. Sensing means observing or collecting information. It means acquiring information of a place or a thing from a distance using a variety of tools and methods. Remote sensing, dating back from the use of cameras carried by balloons and pigeons in the 18th and 19th century. The 20th century, airborne photographs and satellite remote sensing are developing. Aerial photography. Aerial photography refers to the techniques of obtaining information about places or objects with the help of photographs taken using cameras mounted on low flying birds, balloons, helicopters, aeroplanes, and drones. The time gap captured is 10 to 30 seconds. Satellite remote sensing system. Satellite remote sensing is the science of collecting data about an object from artificial satellites orbiting the Earth. The term satellite imagery refers to digitally transmitted images of the satellites. The preliminary data is from satellites like Landsat, Cartosat, Oceansat, etc. Fire and flood details can be extracted and delivered. Components of remote sensing: target, energy source, transmission path, sensor. Global navigation satellite system. Have you ever booked a cab using a smartphone app? Did you see the map showing the route of your travel and movement of your vehicle on mobile phones? How is it possible to calculate the time duration of your travel? Global navigation satellite system has become part of our lives to promote the safety and convenience of transport. Global navigation satellite system connected with small electronic receiver or tracker to locate, monitor and track a user's vehicle wherever in the world. Global navigation satellite system applications are used in tracking or mapping vehicles, ships and aircrafts. A group of satellites, space segment, working with a network of ground station, control segment, provides location data, user segment. The receiver converts satellite signals into location, speed and time data. Global positioning system. Without the global positioning system, on our vehicles and mobile phones, we would feel lost. GPS is the US implementation, the world's first and currently the most used global navigation satellite system, created by the US Department of Defense. It started operation in 1995. GPS receivers now come in all shapes and sizes. Some are handheld, others are installed in ships, planes, trucks, and cars. Advantages of GPS. GPS technology has tremendous applications in everything. Example, mobile phones, ATMs, watches, bulldozers, etc. The main purpose of GPS is to help in providing accurate transport data, distance, route, and direction. It helps in military researches and rescue in wars. GPS helps during accident and rescue efforts, delivery of emergency services, and disaster relief. Weather forecasting, earthquake monitoring, and environmental protection can be done through GPS. GIS, Geographic Information System. Geographic Information System is a computer-based tool for managing a large amount of data collected for a given geographic region through remote sensing, GPS, and other sources. It is a combination of computer hardware, software, geographical data, and the personnel. GIS. G, geographic, particular area. I, information. Facts in order, system, arranging. Prime examples are GIS for public welfare, Google Maps, Yahoo Maps, and Google Earth. Bhuvan. Bhuvan is a free internet-based computer application launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, on August 12, 2009. It enables visualization of Indian remote sensing. ISRO's 7 satellites including Cartosat and Cartosat 2, 1 and 2. One can explore places of interest, scenes of events in the news. Bhuvan has tremendous uses for scientists, policymakers, and the general public. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. Thank you.